Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can jailbreak any PlayStation 3 model within few minutes in 2023. So you can have any PS3, slim, super slim, or even fat PS3. You can jailbreak with this method and you can play games directly from USB, and there's a lot more things you can do in a jailbroken PS3 that I'm going to show you. So first of all, what you're going to be needing is your USB drive, and the main thing is PS3 software version, that is the 4.89, and by the way that is the latest firmware update. So you can jailbreak PS3 on your latest firmware update. So you can see I'm on 4.89 firmware version, so that means I can jailbreak the latest version of the PS3, and you can do that as well. Like, latest system version of the PS3 can be jailbroken with this method. As you can see, I've got all of the jailbroken things that I get after jailbreaking. So anyway, first of all, what you're gonna be needing is you need to make a USB. So inside that USB, you're gonna have to have the hybrid firmware update that we're gonna be updating with the PS3. So first of all, you need to have the USB into the FAT32 format, and inside the USB you're gonna have to have this update file that's gonna be in my Discord server. Link is gonna be in the description. You're gonna have to download this update file from the Discord, and then you will have to paste it inside the USB folder called PS3, and inside the PS3 folder it should be update, capital update, okay, UPDATE, and inside that folder you're gonna have to paste this update file. That's gonna be the hybrid firmware that we're gonna be using to jailbreak the PS3. So once you have the USB ready, you can name the USB to anything that you want. Like, you don't even have to name it. That's what I'm saying. So once you have the USB ready, if you have anything else in the USB drive, simply delete it. If you have anything personal data, copy it into your computer, but simply delete it. Make sure you have the folder called PS3. Inside the PS3 folder, update, and inside the update folder, update.pup. It should be exactly written same. And once you have the USB ready, you're gonna have to plug the USB drive into the PS3, and make sure you plug it on the right side of the USB port, like, the one that is close to the Blu-ray drive of the PS3. And once you connect the USB to your PS3, what you want to do is you're gonna have to update the PS3 with this hybrid firmware. So you're gonna have to go to system update and make sure you disable automatic updates in your PS3. That's important. And then you're gonna see this hybrid firmware update option. Simply update your PS3 with this, and then we'll jailbreak the PS3 after the update is done. And by the way, update might take about like 5 to 10 minutes, depends on your hard drive into your PS3. If you're using an SSD in the PS3, I don't think you can. I think you can. It'll be a lot faster, I guess. And one important thing is, while the update is being done, do not close your console, do not turn it off, or else it will mess up your whole system software. You might have to reflash it using the BIOS, but I would not recommend turning off the PS3 during this process, because it's kind of tough. You won't be able to play a PS3 until you flash another software. So there's that. Do not turn it off. It's important. Alright, so now once the update is done, your PS3 is gonna reboot, and you might have to flash the update 2 times just to make sure that your PS3 have the hybrid firmware before you jailbreak. So I just updated it once. You can update it once more time using the USB drive. That's gonna be just to be on the safe side, then you can do that. So anyway, once you update your PS3, you're gonna have to log into user. And by the way, do not log into your main user, or just disable auto sign in. You don't have to be signed in while you're doing these things, trust me, do not. So anyway, I'm gonna log into this user, and now from here it's gonna be pretty straightforward. You're gonna have to go to internet connection and enable the internet if you have internet disabled, but make sure you're not signed into PlayStation network. So once you have internet enabled, you're gonna have to go to internet browser, and now once you start internet browser, you're gonna have to do a few settings, because this is where all the jailbreak is gonna happen. So you're gonna have to first go to tools, go to home page, and then you're gonna have to choose blank page. Okay, use blank page. You're gonna have to set this setting, and once you've done that, click OK, and then you're gonna have to go to tools and delete all the data that you have into your browser. Delete cache, delete history, delete every things that you can in the browser to make the browser as light as possible, because again we're going to be jailbreaking using the browser. So now once you've done that, you're gonna have to restart the internet browser, and then you're gonna have to search PS3 exploit. Okay, so it should be PS3 exploit, not exploit, exploit, and this is gonna give you an error, and I will tell you how to fix that. So a lot of people made a video about how to jailbreak PS3. They said search PS3 exploit on the browser, and then you're gonna have to go to the first website. That's gonna give you error. You won't be able to do that for some security reasons. Sony has done that for the PS3, that you cannot get into the jailbreaking websites. So what you want to do here is you're gonna have to go to file, go to entry, and add this specific address that I'm gonna show you right now, HTTP, and it's gonna be on the screen and also on the description as well. So once you've done that, you will see this jailbreak screen is gonna open. This will fix that. A lot of people are getting worried, jailbreak page is not opening, but going to tools and the entry option, you will be able to do that. So anyway, now you will have to choose install HEN alternative, this one right here, and once you click on that, your jailbreak is gonna start into your PS3. So I'm just gonna do that right now. It will open a new page, it will initialize, it will tell you what to do after that, and from here it's gonna be real simple, really straightforward, and you will be able to jailbreak the PS3. So initializing might take a few times, but for some reason it gets done in 35%, not in 100%. So don't worry about that. Don't worry that it's slow. It's gonna be done in 35%. Alright, so now once it's done, you will see how to install HEN on the screen. So you're gonna have to close the browser, open remote play, and quit immediately. Okay, so after that it's going to be simple for you as well. So you're gonna have to open remote play, and remote play might get glitched. That's completely fine. As you can see, my remote play kind of got glitched. It is totally fine. All you have to do is you're gonna have to keep pressing the back button, that will be the circle onto your PS3 controller. So keep pressing circle after opening the remote play, and it will exit it out, and yeah, your PS3 might restart. That's completely fine. From this point, it's okay if your PS3 restarts on itself. Do not get worried about that. So once your PS3 restarts, you will see install HEN option. Simply click on install, and remember, not everyone's PS3 gonna restart from here. You might just get install HEN option instantly after opening the remote play and closing it instantly. And after you install HEN, you wanna have to restart the PS3. So I'm just gonna wait until the HEN installation is done. And once it's done, you're gonna have to go back and simply restart your PlayStation 3, and you can simply turn it off and turn it on again. And now once your PS3 restarts, you will see there's going to be an icon with the PS3 logo. That will be an egg, says HEN. So that means you have successfully jailbroken your PS3. But there's still a few things you need to know about how to play games, how to download games on jailbroken PS3. I will give you a quick tutorial of that as well in this video. So what you want to do is you're gonna have to simply log into your user, whatever you want to play, whatever user you want to play, and then you're gonna have to enable HEN first. So you will see HEN option into the game tab, so it will be right here. You're gonna have to click enable HEN, and then after that you can install games directly from USB, and I will show you how to install games directly from USB. So simply enable HEN first. That's going to be the first thing to enable a jailbreak every time you play. So click on enable HEN, and once that's done, you will see that HEN is enabled on top. Welcome to PS3 HEN. Close the browser, and now I'm going to show you how to install games using using a USB. So simply you're going to have a PKG file into the USB, and then you can simply go to, like, or you can even transfer the files into the PS3 using the PS3 Explorer, like, that's using the FTTP, I don't know. So anyway, so I have the game in my USB drive. I'm gonna go to standard USB drive, and you see the Minecraft PKG is that. It's a demo, it's not a full game, but still you can install any game using the USB. Simply go to package installer and then simply install the games. It's really that simple. So anyway, this is the video how you can jailbreak PS3 in 2023. Really simple, really easy. Anyone who is watching this video can jailbreak their PS3 no matter what PS3 you have. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and by any chance if you didn't like the video, hit that dislike button twice, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.